Happy Saturday, everyone, and welcome to the weekend. We are tracking a chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms out there today. I don't think this is an all-day rain, but we'll see some scattered showers and storms throughout the day today. And because of the clouds and some of the rain that's going to be falling from the sky today, we're going to see cooler temperatures, highs likely only in the lower 70s. But tomorrow is a better day. We will see a mixture of clouds and sunshine tomorrow with temperatures in the lower 80s. It is possible we see a stray shower on Sunday as well, but I think the bulk of our rain chances this weekend are going to be happening today. If you're going to be heading to the Lugnuts game tonight, we'll see a few isolated showers early on, but we should be drying out as we head into the evening. So I can show you this here on the hour-by-hour forecast going throughout the day today. Some of those showers around, I will say that models are kind of backing off a bit with how much rain we see, but we'll see some rain from time to time, especially south of Lansing throughout the day today, and then it all begins to kind of push out of here once we head towards the evening hours, but we won't be done with that chance of rain. Like I mentioned, we do have a stray shower chance for tomorrow. Does look like Monday will be the driest day, and then as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll be tracking some other chances at seeing some showers and thunderstorms across the area. As far as temperatures, we will be warming up a bit as we head into early next week. 89 for the high on Monday, and then we stay rather seasonable for the rest of the week with highs in the lower 80s across the area.